I think this apartment can't have dogs anyway at the end of the day. So you're right. If this dog can't have apartments, it's okay. But I learned my lesson from my first apartment about having too many people at my house. I had my house broken into, window bust, clothes stolen. Took my everything. So I most definitely learned my lesson about allowing strangers in the neighborhood, though. You know, in the same complex when I moved in this apartment, I most definitely would not let the whole neighborhood know that I'm a transsexual because I had a problem with that. I fucked 4 niggas in the complex. 2 niggas kept coming back. Jalen was one of them, kept coming back. Y'all remember? Bitch, I go live next. Everything you know, Jalen kept coming back. I learned my lesson. I'm not that desperate for niggas to fuck me anymore, bitch. I can make one call and nigga come fuck me and I'm good for the night. I'm not desperate to let all the niggas know I'm a transgender in the neighborhood, but they gonna see me when I walk to the store and shit. But I don't. You know, I'm gonna try to get in my house as quick as possible, bitch. I'm not inviting them in. Maybe 1 or 2. Look at my little freaky ass, bitch. Maybe 1 or 2 niggas around the complex. But not like I had them last time. I had 4 to 6 niggas. Back to back, knocking on my door, 4 or 5 in the morning from work. Like, niggas was I swear to God, I had a fucking dream, bro. And it was a dream that was real. I had a dream I was getting raped. Next thing you know, my door somebody started knocking on the door in the middle of my sleep, swear to God. The nigga walked in, he walked in, I swear to God. He said, you know what I want? Take off your clothes. I took off all my clothes, swear to God. I was asleep. Somebody was knocking on my door. I opened the door. Immediately, he told me to take my clothes off, bro. And it turned me on. It made me horny. I took the clothes off, and I started sucking his dick at first, and then he told me to lay down. And it took him 10 seconds to nut in my ass, and he left right back out the house. I swear to God, I'm like, oh my God, this shit is real. I'm really facing demons. I'm facing demons in the middle of my sleep. The shit I'm thinking about, like, this shit is some demon shit, bro. I'm like, is anybody gonna believe me when I tell him this shit? A nigga knocked on my door at 4 in the morning. And he came back 4 in the morning. He just randomly knocked on my door. Came in, sucked it for a little bit. He had me flip over immediately. And, like, this nigga had to come at the tip of his dick. He knew where he was coming for. This shit was so crazy. And I still gave it up like, bitch, I gave it up, bitch. Bitch, who wouldn't wake up for some dick? Bitch, I woke up for it. I don't give a fuck, bitch. I love dick. It was creepy, but it was good. You know, creepy dick, good dick, bitch. Period. Yeah, he fucked me raw. None of them in left. The nigga lived in the same complex. That was a young nigga, too. I gave a young nigga ass. He was 18. That's why. He had a big ass dick. He came nutted in my ass. I gave him a cell phone the next day. He ain't had no phone. I gave him a track phone, bitch. I gave him my extra minute phone. So he could stop popping up and shit. I got the video of me and Jalen having sex. I showed y'all a little bit on Instagram, but I got the whole video. It was like a 3-minute video. His face was in everything. Well, fuck Jalen. I got the video. This bitch so damn stupid. I really fucked the nigga bitch and she knocked on my door. Complaining about it. Meanwhile, I got the videos right now. His dick was big. Jalen dick big. But these niggas wanted to fuck me, bro. All I do is be me, bro. Like, literally, I'm not forcing this shit on me. These demons know me. I face demons every day. I don't give a fuck what nobody say. I live off of demons. And I live based off of demons, bro. I swear to God, I'm not lying. I'm not high. I'm no purpose. I am high. But I ain't talking, but I'm serious, though, bro. I see demons every day. And these demons is only... I see them in men. You know, I see some in women, like Breon. I see a demon in him, in her, him. I see a man in Breon. Bitch, I see a man in Breon. Breon turned me on. Like, Breon make me want to fuck. Because I see a demon. Like, I see demons in these men. Like, I know who my demons is. Like, they the hood niggas. They the niggas hood from the hood. Them niggas that fuck on other hoods, bro. It's all through the eye. I see it. Bitch, I don't give a fuck if my teeth chip. Oh, you said it's chip, your teeth are... Oh, bitch, I don't give a fuck if my teeth is yellow. Bitch, I'm still paid. And I still got 1,500 people. Girl, my bitch... Baby, the teeth don't pay my bills. Baby, the teeth don't pay my bills. If I was worrying about my teeth being yellow, girl, I wouldn't be loved. I don't give a fuck. Bitch, let my teeth be yellow. It'll be white tomorrow. Thank you for the bill.
What's up?
What's up?
Girl, if he don't give a fuck about no damn motherfucker HIV, what makes you think he give a fuck about them teeth in his mouth?
That's a fact.
He on him like a hoodlum.
I can't
You don't care about no STD?
He living a life he don't give a fuck about.
And that's a fact, bitch. Why would
Hide your kid and hide your dick.
Why would I care, bitch?
Your booty hole.
Why would I
care? Jonte
on the loose. Hello?
What's up?
What's going on?
Good.
You want to fuck?
Yeah, I want that musty dick. What's up with that musky dick?
It ain't funny, but I want you to, I'm going to tell you this thing, bro. My dick's sore.
What's up?
My dick's sore right now, so I need you to...
Why is it sore? Why is it sore?
Because this nigga gave, I think, chlamydia. So I want you to...
I got that too. So what's up?
It kind of hurt when it get hard. So when it get hard, I need you to suck the cum out because I can't jack off because it kind of hurt. Because it kind of hurt.
I can suck it up out of you.
Alright, baby. Damn, where
I got you.
Where you from?
I'm from the Philippines.
Oh, you in New Orleans?
The Philippines.
Who the fuck the Philippines? Is that in Philadelphia? What the fuck is a Filipina? Bitch, I ain't never heard.
No, boy.
Where that's?
No, boy. It's out of the country, out of the states.
Oh, I ain't never been there. Damn, you must got some good ass.
Yes, my ass is good and cheesy.
Ooh, shit. I ain't never had no ass that come from the Philippines.
You want some? I got some for you.
Yeah. Bitch, can you mail me some?
Yeah. FaceTime me.
Alright, send me your number, though. My inbox.
954?
Not on live. Everybody gonna have your number.
638.
About this, I ain't fuck you no more. No dick for you. I was gonna fuck you and give you trichomoniasis, but bro, you crazy as hell. You going crazy, my nigga. You really going through that shit. Keep that ass in Filipina, bitch. You don't want this American bitch. Check out my profile picture. Who the fuck is that, bro? Ugh, that's Tyler, bitch. Tyler was that for Halloween? What the fuck? This nigga was this bitch. Who is that white bitch? That bitch from Scooby-Doo. Vamma, bitch. He was Vamma, bro. That's Tyler. Oh my god, I ain't never see that shit. I ain't see his Halloween shit, bro. What the fuck? That bitch really look like Vamma. That nigga looking like Vamma, bitch. He pulled that bitch. That nigga Tyler pulled Vamma, bitch. Oh, you gotta click Love Miami picture to see it. That nigga was looking like Vamma. My head itching. All these niggas want me to call them and shit. Leave me alone. I'm tired of having sex. I'm tired. Just leave me alone. I don't want to have sex for a year. I'm so tired. I'm just so tired. Everybody want to fuck. But it won't be life without fucking, though. You right. Imagine life with no sex. Bitch would be depressed. Bitches would be shot in the head every damn day. Emotional fucking depth, girl. It's 4 o'clock and I'm thirsty again. I don't want to drink all the Kool-Aid up. I cannot believe this shit. But thank God I went to the hospital. Burning. I never felt burnt in my life, bro. That was my first time burning, actually, 45. I'm like, damn, that's how I feel to burn, bitch. That shit hurt. Oh, they gave me a shot in my ass and 5 pills and made me pee in a cup. I still got that Band-Aid on my ass. Speaking of a shot, I still got the Band-Aid on my ass right here. I'm about to get the Band-Aid off because it's done. Let me take this Band-Aid off my ass. Oh my god, it feels so funny to take it off my ass. Alright.
Let me reach your funky, big crusty back ass. You old funky, raggy, you loose booty ass motherfucking faggot bitch. Get your crusty ass to that motherfucking McDonald's and get your ass that motherfucking fuckers you talk about. Old ass crusty ass bitch.
Calm your slow ass down, bitch. Before I really stick my
Nigga,
dick
you been
in your
missing
ass,
for
bitch.
about 2 or 3 months and you wanna hop on this app like you that bitch again. Nah, my motherfucking watch.
Oh, you missed
Yeah.
me?
Yeah, we do. We miss you. I miss you.
Let me see that ass.
Oh, hell no. Fuck are you talking about? Yeah, go ahead and skip me. I don't shake ass on camera. Now, if you're in my inbox, it's possible.
Did you hear what happened today?
What happened?
I was in the hospital.
For what?
I'm so sorry to reveal this to you, but I got to tell you before we move further.
What happened?
I caught chlamydia and trichomoniasis.
What the fuck?
I caught one of them. Yeah. So my dick is not ready to have sex right now. So you got to give it at least 3 weeks to heal up.
From who?
I caught it from a fan. He looked just like you though, sort of. A fan from Bigo.
You look a little crackhead. Let me screenshot your little crackhead ass.
I can't wait to fuck you though. My dick is okay.
Right. Well, make sure you come down to Houston and hit me up.
Alright, baby. Talk to you, baby. It don't matter though. These niggas still wanna fuck, bro. This is life. This shit is real, bro. I could really still get in this nigga pants. This shit's scary. I don't wanna be me no more. Cause it's scary. Everybody still wanna fuck. I'm trying to find somebody that's not gonna let me do nothing, bitch. I ain't know life was set up like this, man. Hey, brother. What's going on? Long time no see. Let me light this fucking wood up. What's going on, brother? Oh, I've been missing in action.
Hey, shit, where you
taking
been
care of
at?
some personal business and stuff like that. Taking care of some business. Had to get my little shit together, working on getting my apartment and shit. Had to take care of some other shit, some shit. I had to take a break off of live and shit, Yeah, I'm back in the game. I'm back in the game. And I'm working on getting 3 milli. 3 milli. I'm on the 3 milli route.
This month?
Yeah, this month. I probably can't make this month, but I ain't gonna say I probably can't because I could do whatever's possible.